In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock shapes and text in Draw.io. If you're working on a diagram and want to make sure certain elements stay exactly where they are, locking them is a simple and very useful feature. This helps prevent accidental edits, unwanted movement, or changes to important labels and design elements while you continue working on the rest of your diagram. Once you're inside the Draw.io editor, start by locating the shape or text box that you want to lock. This could be anything from a label, a process box, a title, or any object you don't want to accidentally adjust while editing. After you've found the item, right-click directly on that shape or text box. A context menu will appear with several options. In that menu, look for the lock or unlock option and click it. As soon as you do that, the object will become locked. You'll know it worked when you see a red dashed border around the shape or text box. That red dashed outline is the visual signal that the item is now locked. It's a helpful indicator because it lets you quickly identify which elements are protected from editing. This is especially useful when you're building more complex diagrams and want to avoid shifting key elements out of place. For example, if you've already finalized a heading, a section label, or a shape that's part of your layout, locking it can save time and help you keep your diagram organized. If you ever need to make changes later, you can simply right-click the locked item again and use the same lock or unlock option to reverse it. That way you stay in control of what can be edited and what stays fixed. So to recap, all you need to do is select the shape or text box you want to protect, right-click it, choose the lock option, and confirm it by checking for the red dashed border. That's the sign that your object has been successfully locked. And that's all there is to it. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference when you're editing diagrams and want to keep everything neat, consistent, and protected from accidental changes.